Hi, so today this video is going to be like a troubleshoot guide video for Reaper DAW. And in this video I'll be talking on some of the general stuffs, okay, which you will encounter while using Reaper DAW, okay, and that might give you some headache. So this video is aimed to hopefully remove that headache, especially if you are a beginner. So let us see. Here I have made some notes so that I don't miss any of the points to explain you, okay. So this will help me to guide as well, okay, and you can see on screen also. Even if I miss, you can know yourself, but I don't think I will miss. Just a case. If let us go now. So this video will be divided into 3 sections. First section is this, okay, in which we will be looking on how to install the VST plugins and make a Reaper know and use that VST plugins. The second section of the video will be looking at the video decoder system in Reaper, and the third section we will be looking how or where to set up the Reaper extensions so that Reaper can utilize that, so that Reaper can know where there is its extension so that it can use. Simple. So let us enter into our first section here. Here we will be looking how to install VST plugins properly so that Reaper can utilize it, okay, so that Reaper can know where that your plugin is and can utilize it. So just see here I have written, just see, and I will show you, okay. Just go in option, preference, and VST. Here you can see VST plugins path, yeah, and these are the by default VST plugins path of Reaper. When you install a Reaper, it comes with this path location, and you can install in any of these locations, okay, your VST plugins, and the Reaper will know and use it, your VST plugins. Simple. By default this is the path. This is one path, here another path, here another path, and here another path. You can install your VST plugins in any of these paths, okay, and the Reaper will know and use it, okay. However, if you want to install plugins in your custom location, okay, not the location or path as defined by a Reaper, but your own location, and for that simply you have to put a semicolon, okay. Just put a semicolon after the end of its previous location. Here this was the previous location, and just put one semicolon and write your own custom location here. Don't give any space. There is no space between two locations, just separated by semicolon. Simple. So let me show you one demo. So this is the last path. Now I will add extra path, semicolon, and just write your location, D drive, yeah, and this folder. Simple. And just hit apply, and you can rescan so that Reaper can use that plugin now onwards. If you don't want to restart your Reaper, then simply rescan, or even if you restart your Reaper, then all the plugins will be scanned, okay, while Reaper starts. Now Reaper will see for the plugins in this location also. Before, Reaper used to see or scan for the plugins only in these locations, but now Reaper will see plugins in all of these locations. Another easy way to include your own custom location or path where you have installed your VST. To make Reaper know that, just include your location from here. Edit path list and add path. Now simply browse your location, and it will be included automatically. Yeah, it's included here, and hit apply, hit finished. Now next time when Reaper will start, Reaper will scan the plugins from that location as well. So it's simple, okay, no problem here. And one thing, don't install your third-party VST plugins in this location. It is the location where there is the stock plugins of Reaper. It's the internal plugins location of Reaper, no third-party plugins. So don't install your third-party plugins here. And remember, I am describing all these things only for the 64-bit operating system. Okay, now this is very important, and you can know about your operating system here. 64-bit operating system, okay, system type. So if you do this, your plugins will be set up properly in Reaper and be ready for use, no problem. Now let us enter into our second section, video decoder in Reaper. Now this might not be a problem, and might be because on my one laptop by default video is shown, it's played in Reaper, okay, Reaper video window. But on my other laptop, even if I do everything correctly, okay, the video window in Reaper remains black. Whatever you do, doesn't matter, it remains black. It's crazy. We'll be looking about that issue. So for the video case, first you have to know some things here. You install Reaper, 64-bit version. I'm assuming your system is 64-bit. You can easily know about your system here. System type 64-bit operating system. So your system is 64-bit, and you download 64-bit version of Reaper, and here VLC player, and you download the 64-bit version, okay, of VLC media player. Just be careful, this is crucial, okay. 64-bit, your system 64-bit, your Reaper 64-bit, your VLC 64-bit, and you can also download this QuickTime for Windows. And also you will need the FFmpeg video decoder. I'll be putting the download link for this FFmpeg video decoder, okay, for Reaper. I downloaded it from where I forgot, because I was testing various things. It was not working. I got from where. Anyways, it's free, okay. So you need this FFmpeg video decoder. But before installing this FFmpeg video decoder, I want to show you something. Now currently I have default video decoder. As a first priority video decoder, I have VLC media player. Yeah, and just download the latest version of the VLC player, it will work. No any superstition. I've seen so many people that latest version don't work, we have to download old version, then only it works. It's not like that. This version works. So the VLC as a first priority for video decoding work for Reaper, and the second priority for FFmpeg, okay, video decoder. And this FFmpeg is loaded from this location, and this is the by default FFmpeg decoder which ships with Reaper. Will be updating this FFmpeg decoder later, okay, but first let us see the performance of by default video decoder which already ships with Reaper. So, and this is the default recommended by Reaper, okay. Now let us see. So you just saw I have here three video formats: MP4, AVI, and MOV, and all of these formats was played by the default video decoder which ships with Reaper. And I noticed the MP4 is playing better. There was some lag in AVI and MOV, but MP4 was fine, smooth. So this simply means just installing VLC media player as a video decoder system for Reaper will play video in Reaper. Now let us update our FFmpeg video decoder here. This ships with Reaper. This also plays video, okay. It's not that it doesn't play, okay. Just now I showed you, okay. And here I want to show you here another thing. If I load this MTS format video, this will not be loaded. So you have to load that format of video which Reaper supports. So this MTS video format should be converted to MP4 or AVI or MOV, okay. Better you can use MP4, okay. Now I want to change this default video decoder which ships with Reaper, okay. I want to update that video decoder, and you can see currently this location Reaper is using video decoder from this location, okay. This FFmpeg video decoder from this location, but now I will be updating that, okay. And let us see how. Now you need this file, okay, which I'll be giving you the download link in the description. And go here and 64-bit, yeah, and here and here, and in this bin folder. Don't go anywhere, just straightly go in this bin folder, select all, and go here, show Reaper resource path in Explorer or Finder, okay. and go in user plugins. Now simply extract here. The same thing, you are installing it or you are extracting here in this location, same thing. Okay? Don't be confused. Yeah, just close. Now you have to restart Reaper. Now just see here. Now you can see Reaper is using video decoder from this user plugins folder. And just before we had put our FFmpeg decoder in this folder user plugins, and now Reaper is using this. So this location was changed automatically, okay, from the default location. You can change it, Reaper will change itself, okay. First priority of video decoder is VLC and then FFmpeg, okay. It's also here, first is VLC and then only FFmpeg, okay, and it's by default here. Now one thing here I have to make you understand, okay, it's very critical, okay, very critical. Now sometime your this video window might go black. You don't see here any video, okay, even though video is imported in the project, the video window will remain black, audio will be played. Now this is a very frustrating scenario, and even if you do everything correctly as what I have said just now, the video will be black. Now here Reaper has recommended this. Now it's crazy, it's weird, but you have to change this. I saw so many forums for that problem, and finally someone said that you have to come in either of these settings and the video will be played shown in the video window, and I changed in either of these and the video was shown. Yeah, Reaper is recommending this, but sometimes it simply doesn't work. If it works, then it works, no problem. If the video window is still black, then you have to change. You can try other options also, some may work, some may not work, and in which it works you work from there. So this is the solution for your video window going as black every time, and your video is not played or shown in this video window. This is very crucial, okay. Now after updating the FFmpeg decoder, let us again play the video. And yes, I can easily observe some lagging in this AVI and MOV, but not in MP4, okay. Now again let me import this MTS. Same thing, it can be imported. Any video format cannot be imported even after updating your FFmpeg decoder. I'm just showing you before updating the FFmpeg decoder and after updating the FFmpeg decoder, okay. So here I have written this same thing, okay. Everything should be 64-bit, yeah, and everything I have already shown you. And yes, you can install that FFmpeg directly from here, from this option and go here user plugins, simply install here. Okay, or you can reach in this location manually as well. Okay, just see how. Now just open your run command, Windows logo and R. Okay, and simply copy paste this command here. And go to Reaper and to user plugins, same location. Okay, this was manual, but it's easy to go from here. Yeah, simple. Directly you will be reaching to Reaper folder. Okay, from this option. So this is finished, and yes, here this is by default. I have not changed anything. There is also option to reset to default. Okay, this all is same as it ships with a Reaper. I have not changed anything. So this video playback issue is also solved. And you might be also wondering, when this video encoder decoder plugin or extension will be used, because for playback in video window, simply BLC will work. Yeah, and if you want to export video here, then use this video FFmpeg, this encoder. Okay, now you'll get option. Okay, various options. FFmpeg here, this option. While rendering in this format, choose this FFmpeg, this video. Okay, encoder. Yeah, and then yes, you can render. Simple. And if you had not updated your FFmpeg decoder, yeah, as by default here, currently the FFmpeg decoder is what it ships with a Reaper. This is the Reaper by default FFmpeg decoder. We have not updated it. And if you go in render and change this format to FFmpeg encoder here, now you will see only limited options. Yeah, but we will be updating this default FFmpeg decoder which ships with Reaper. We will be updating that, and we will be putting either of these two version. Okay, let us go here and this, and I have shown all the process. Yeah, now let us enter into our third section, how to properly set up Reaper extensions. It is also like a Reaper plugin. It is also same thing, just you have to install or put the extension here in the user plugins folder and restart your Reaper, and the Reaper will search for the extensions from this location. It's yeah, I've written that same thing here, and you can download a Reaper extension from these locations. Okay, here this here repack, and be sure to download 64-bit. okay, NSWS extension. Here also download 64-bit. Just don't be confused. Here in this video I am telling everything 64-bit because this computer is 64-bit okay, operating system. Okay, and every software I put is 64-bit. And if your computer is 32-bit OS, then simply install everything 32-bit. So in this way you can install Reaper extensions and restart Reaper. And while restarting, you might need to follow some on-screen instruction. Okay, just follow that, and the Reaper extension will be set up correctly and be ready to use in your Reaper DAW. Simple. It's same thing. You have to go in the user plugins folder. Okay, you can manually go with this run command also, or directly from Reaper. Okay, here from this option, and here this is easy. Okay, so yeah, you have to restart Reaper. And now I'll show you one demo by installing Reaper extensions. Now just see here in the menu, there is no extension menu. Now let us install. Here I have my Reaper extensions, SWS and repack extensions. Now first I'll be installing SWS extension. Okay, install in this location. Now just restart your Reaper. Now you can see here extensions menu. Okay, yeah, SWS extension, yeah, which we just installed. Now we'll be installing repack extension. This is a little bit different. Just go here and user plugins folder, yeah, and simply you put this repack extension TLL file here in this user plugins folder. Okay, now again you have to restart your Reaper. Now this window will pop out, and choose your desired package, and then just hit and install the package, yeah, and you will see your repack extension here. Simple. So yes, this is the troubleshoot guide on Reaper DAW, and I hope this video will reduce your lots of headache. Yeah, and you can see here my notes also. If still any problem, let us communicate in the comment section below. Simple. So bye for now.